In this video, we are going to learn about Run Diagnostic Report. So today we are going to learn about this concept called Run Diagnostic Report. What is the use of diagnostic report? So, for example, in AP, we call it as AP list. So, for example, any invoice which are related to the approvals, and if at all it got got stuck in between, or if any issues coming through the invoice approval rules, we use this AP list, nothing but invoice approval diagnostic report. We also call it as invoice approval diagnostic report. So to learn, to where is the issue with the invoice approvals. So all the tables, everything we'll get to know through this diagnostic report. So how we can create the invoice approval diagnostic report. Let's see. So to have this function enabled in our Oracle system, we must have this diagnostic administration role. So if we have the diagnostic administrator role, we will be able to see the option. Let's go to the system. So if you can see here under the troubleshooting, you can see run diagnostic test. So if we have the the diagnostic administrator role, so you will be able to see this particular functionality in your system. And so generally we use it for any approval, invoice approval. See if you see here invoice approval flow diagnostic report. It is used for respect of the module. Maybe I can search with journal approval. So if you see here general approval, wherever you write the approval rules, whichever module, it will applicable for each and every module. It's not like each module having no separate task to go see the diagnostic report. Each and every module will check under this diagnostic dashboard. Now I'll go to invoice approval, or you can also see payables list. See if you see here payable list. Now based on the requirement you can use it. Now I'll go with the invoice approval. Now select this icon and then click on add to run, which will enable one option here under the run test. You can see here one warning option. Just click on this warning option and click on this search button. Here you can give the supplier name or invoice number, whatever you remember. I'll just write one invoice number. See here, if you see here, just click on OK, and then enter the invoice number here as well once again. Now click OK. Now the warning option disabled, which means that we can run this report. Now click on run. It will hit the one ESS job. So if you see here, the report has been generated, and click on invoice for diagnostic report. Now here you can see the report option. So click on this. To open the report. So here we have this report. Here if you see that all the tables which are related to the invoice, and you can see that workflow code which are applicable for this particular invoice. And if you see here the comments, generally we use this report to send it to the Oracle people to dig down what is the issue. Generally Oracle people will ask us to give the diagnostic report, so we'll use to run this diagnostic report for this particular invoice, and we'll give it to Oracle people so that they will able to analyze what is the issue, what are the tables are hitting. So that is the use of this run diagnostic report. So as I said, you to get this option, you need to have this diagnostic administrator role. And once you have your role, you'll be able to see all these options, and this will applicable for irrespective of the module. Could be general approvals, invoice approvals, or fixed asset approvals. Any approvals you write, you can test those approval rules. And we generally give the report to the Oracle people so that they will able to analyze the issue. Yeah, thank you so much.